Just little details. Sure we get any bits out of our paint, because we're going to repaint this second coat today. Hey, get out of here, bug. What are you doing? How dare you? You must like the smell of something in here. Just gonna load this up. This will keep the rain from getting into the sill. Yep, don't be afraid to pile it on. Push away. Don't pull it out onto the sill because you'll see it. Okay, when you get in the corner, you push it up in there. Back again. A nice little pull into the corner where you can smooth it all out and take your excess caulk away, because that'll look like crap under the paint. Right here, pull that back, and there you go. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to do this area out here so the rains don't get in there. Now this caulking is made to be painted. It's Alex. You know Alex. It is made to be painted. If this is going to be just left exposed to the elements, you don't want to use Alex caulking. You want to use some type of caulking that can be exposed to the elements. Something that isn't paintable. Okay. Gonna fill that in as much as we can. Put the excess in the corner and pull it up along here. Make sure these seams where the wood is meeting the house are filled, so when you paint them, it seals. So what's going to seal here is the paint. That dark blue paint. This is just giving it a surface to run off of. The paint will be the surface to protect. And that the paint will be protecting the caulking. Smooth out your caulking. So that it looks decent once you paint it. Take your time. Make it look as good as you can. And pulling it down in that corner to seal it up. Come back with a clean finger. Just pull it up, smooth it out. There you go. That's all sealed. Once that dries, we'll paint it so it looks all nice and neat.